I've never imagined that I would be standing here before you and then sharing my experience. What have you learned? Tell my subscribers what have you learned.
No, I learned that you look cooler in the Instagram.
I look.
That is so nice. That is so funny. He's funny. 5 out of 5. Funny. We need one more session, guys.
Mumbai, Chandigarh, Lucknow. Perlu nggak sedang ini ke channel jonga, akan ini channel bantu video, kita pair, bakal sedang. Nak batab ini video ki bang ajus na baik menca por barang sedang. Tian rekal barang mi kisngi nga yo jeng kesan ke jong phi bat kuni ke mangalong mentang lali ki video ki pair. Ba sutna kalong ma om tang ki ba page ni ki video tian lagi ba bonu ki ba le se ki ba i ka rukom le ya ki video bat ki ki bentah social media ki school ki jeng don kam pangangan yo ban le ban ai ta jeng hikai ka ba de social media ha ki school ba ha ki college ha ki seng prepare di seng trikam prepare bat kani la long jing mentoy nam tagi babun ya hapor ba sedang tang ku muta u basu le hi nala ka jong karkhana hapor ngas sedang ini jalti jong aku mekanik dia bantap ti video baik ki video jing sna karkhana jong at henre ngam sim lo poi perkhat pat bakat poi hadu ni klimat banyo bani ai ki jing hikai si school ba pat ki wei kani video kal pni phi ya kata jing yelek ba kajing lek bandit ai kata kajing hikai khabede social media hapdeng juga ni kena pulih hak school ba ante po NIFT badan hang te po sauli but ngine pek ke ka ba ki ni ki kena ki don bandong ke ka ba ki kisngo ba ngin yo ruban le ki ni ki video ki barit ni ki short reels ki ba ki ni ki kena ki ni don bentalang ba ngine pek kalong kumno hakanu godur kade ke singi ka ba ar mangla julet maman ka por tending skota man chpni phi kalong kumno kata ka ba sedang nasyakar khana bat menta kap lek ban poi peman chidu school ba ban le yagi social media ban le di video ba per ko jupen mi na kapor pini video do ban kod kana men semi phi bres bon kami perlok nila ya poi hang ni rong no support sim kelas no pini phi kalong kum no ma perlok chala ta kam no hikai dum jumalin ta oh ni campus ni de ko la he ba kini di amphitheater ni academic block picky painting so ada aja lagi dan gitu ki amphitheater tu ki building ki classroom baik sang ki building syarat tidur ki building sini te bano hak slap haka mariang temshan ya ni di bendan wa mana the fuck Salah. Ini rong no shupo. Nang tangan semeni pi kelas rumah. Cha. Kadang nang ni badi kong pira. Di bahikai hang ni hapo ayu. Kadi hapo fashion design deh. Fashion design department. Di lima jungi mentangi ngayo banwan ban hang ni yo banwan ban ai khniat te jing nang jing tip jongan benta ki khna hang ni. Tu bah batai hinat si kongkra hakno gudur ka long BPE kani jing don kam te ka bai dei bet kani ka subject lesi ni kani ka banga shima ke mentan
okay ni kongre pa kuble EP ba Ferdinand ba pila pediang moi ke jing khat so ha jungi na pot lef ban I session bi khna jungi namar bi pe menta ka social media ka long a very powerful tool kam tama ka ban promote ka bai dei ba ka design ko pa na o fi ki khna jungi when it comes to design ki long ki bit ki they come no ban promote and all that ka long ka badan kam ba kin tip ken di lipa ka jing khat jungi EP ni ka session ka la long ka jung mento ki khna ko lu ki la ban promote ki design job ki I'm sure ka dan bon kilat kilenti kuno ban de limba ki design ta pa social media ki ba bon they are involved in that ki ba ki men menta ru bu la sang ban use ki smartphone and all that ki la ban pe ki design ti mas mo ban ti ka long badan kam ya ken ka jut ka bon ta
kham tam ni le long kom hakani ka feel ki jong phi long ka badan kam ban inspire
yes
baru long ban I'm sim baru ban yo men sim
exactly
te ha ama
ko mangilong mentang ibon hade gitu ki self taught designers and all that ko gimte mong bakal ka skill jiki hindi ngipit do invite ka social media ka long ka ka git ka ba ka platform Kaba penilot kanya kasap kaba kibriu kita na loga ke kaso kadang ke jung yarap shibo ne kan kaba de ba kanya.
Tak bersibun pipi kot pipi ibit yang aman.
De yipi ru.
Wan nubra kani.
Yes.
Pengen enjoy kena the session prepare ini open shim. This will be nice. Thank you. Okay, yes. This is nice. Natra gini di bisnai kena tu sak. Oh sweet. Kani ada juti ya. That is good. Kini bisnai kena gini ya. Nice. Oh di darat. Nice. Oh ya dan sap dah. Ya dan sap nih kena. Kan? This is good. This is hot plug nah. Hot plug. Kom ni. Berokhat ni pendap belum?
Iya.
Oh, saya.
Saja.
Ya kedai. Kamu berosis ni kan ni? Harus tay. Oh, lah jerong tendai. Aha. Nang suiru.
Pada video sini.
Oh kan, deng video yuk syuting kelas.
Kelas.
Oh. Jongka kini itu kembali na. Belum. Okay. Hi, good morning. Ah, okay.
We are very glad that he accepted our invitation to be here to take this session with you all. And yesterday we had with batch A and B. The student gave very good feedback and all that. So I'm sure that news might have spread to you all. So make the most out of it. Okay, if you have anything. So sir is there to help you all. So interact with him.
Yeah, I'm here with the first semester students of NIFT. Say hi. Hi. Love it. So, have you been part of a YouTube video before? No. Not even your friends, No? Who? Who said yes? You? Yes? Yeah, good for you. All right. Now at least this is an opportunity for you all to be featured in a YouTube video. Fine? Yes. All right. Now, before going ahead, I would also like to tell you this. When I started social media, when I started being active on social media back in 2019-20, I started as a mechanic.
As a?
Mechanic, as a bike mechanic. Okay? I had all the grease, all the whatever you call it, or the black thing covering my face and all that. I've never imagined that I would be standing here before you and then sharing my experience. Okay? Back in the day, I thought maybe social media would be something that I'll just, take a video like this and then take a video of my bikes that I've made and all that and then post them on social media. But I've never imagined that I would be sharing my insights, my experience with students like you and in a different field, totally different from mine. Okay? I've completely stopped my garage. I'm not doing that anymore. This is more like my full-time job at present. But I'm thankful that your institute is opening this opportunity. We take full advantage of this session today. Ask me any question that you want and I'll be here for 2 hours. So it could be a back and forth. I'll be showing you these few presentation here just to get the direction of the conversation. But if you have anything at all to ask, please feel free to do so. Fine, TK?
Yes.
TK? Now, how do you say when you watch YouTube channel, what do people say at the beginning of the video?
Hi guys, welcome back to my
Lovely. Yeah, these people are smart, yeah. Nice. How about we say once? Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay. Can we say that? Yes. Okay, I'm giving you the opportunity. All right. Now, okay, in 1, 2, 3. Love it. It's my YouTube channel. These people. All right, thank you. Now let's get on with the discussion. All right.
A few moments later.
We are doing a ghost reel right now. Hey, as part of our project. Oh, so nice. Let's see. Let's do this. We can do this. All right.
Ready?
Ready?
Camera rolling. 1, 2, 3. Go!
Done.
Nupur, sweater. Okay.
Done.
Done.
Wait. Don't cut yet. Cut. Wow.
Are you can see it? Yeah, you can see it. Because this is a movie बहुत funny है आज कर देते हैं
Love it. Yes. Hey guys, I would like you to DM me your Instagram account. At least I can tag you guys on the reel. Yes. Okay. Right? It's Code Freeman. CODEFREEMEN. So how did you like the session? Loved it. Okay. So if there's anything at all, if you need anything about social media and anything that you want to, maybe if you are planning to do so, or any doubt, please don't hesitate to reach out to me over Instagram, okay? Or you can take my number also if you want to. Oh, attendance. We forgot the attendance, yeah? Yeah, please. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for your time. Yes.
Which one is your ID?
Code, no, that's not Code Freeman. It's Code Freeman. FREEMEN, men. Right? All right. What do you say at the end of the video? Love it. Big round of applause for everyone.
Charlie, are you there?
So silent, yeah, these guys. So we are here with the students of first semester here, and we've been teaching. Well, what was I teaching? Fashion basics on social media and content creation. So what have you learned? Tell my subscribers what have you learned? Huh?
How you can be reached through social media.
Yeah, we learned that you look cooler in Instagram.
Start now, yes.
No,
yes.
I learned that you look cooler in the Instagram.
I look. These guys. So I would expect by the end of this session, these guys would be going and creating content. Yes. At least try. We started this session. This is the second half of the session. Earlier we had with the batch that was batch C, right? And this is batch D. And it is the last batch. And we started this with something called scary. A very scary social media being very scary. A scary space, scary place to be. And now everybody wants to be on social media. Yes, right? Yeah. Is it scary now? No. So yeah, it is still scary, provided you know how to treat it, how to use it. Okay, fine. So how about okay, we will end it later. Now let's carry on with the class.
A few moments later.
So we've come to the end of the discussion of the class today, and we will be doing a reel with these ladies and gentlemen there. So we only have one gentleman now, right? Only him. Oh, nice. So he's the James Bond of the class right now. Yeah. Okay. And yeah. So we will be doing a reel with the students, and And we've created a ram. Ngilasna ka ram hangni kiniya model ng station ni. Okay. All right. Let's do this. Let's do this. Okay. All right. And everybody else just clap, okay? Yeah, I need this. I need to take a shot. I need to walk. Yeah, just walk, and then after you're done, just stand in a line like that, and then start clapping for the others. Okay? Right? So I'll just say. Okay, wait. Now again, that is there. How was it? Wait. Another one. Okay, I think we should do now. Can we have lights on? Yeah. Having lights on would be nice. Yes, that's even better. Now, wait again. I'll just say 1, 2, 3, and then you can count. Okay. Okay. Good. You can come closer. Please cover the light from the window. Okay. Now, going in 1, 2, and 3. Okay, no problem. Now, 1, 2, and do actions also, okay? Now, when you reach do action. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Music! Going in 1, 2, 3. Now,
Is this recording?
oh yes, it's still recording. Oh, it's still recording. All right.
Hello.
Only hello. Say something else.
Sir is so nice. Sir is so funny. He's funny. 5 out of 5 to sir. Funny. 10 out of 10. We need one more session, guys. Yeah, we need more sessions.
Okay,
We don't
okay.
mind if you give us this.
Oh yes, sure. All right. So yeah. Thank you so much, guys. Hey, is that all? You want anything else?
Group.
Oi. Yeah. So we have people from across the country here, from different states, and I wish you guys. Oh yeah, she's from Bihar. Mumbai, Chandigarh, Lucknow. How about? Oh, she's from Shillong. She's the only one from Shillong. Very nice. How about we say share, like, and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Right? Okay? I'll just say 1, 2, 3 and say share, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Right? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Share! love it. Chalo. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Oh.
Aram nggak di kamera nih.
Gini, subiang nih. Kalat kalat penyo baikau.
Waterproof am gini.
Waterproof.
Ram. Ini pilih apa? Helmet mana?
Helmet rulong, kali rulong, kli rulong kasaba. Kuat long. Saum susun te setang.
Kendom long.
Oh, stas kendom. Kendom rulong Termasuklah. Haum kumba si spa mitari dang long. Ayu support dang long.
Dapat itu hiram ni.
Apa siang siap sisi nak tu dong pi. Long try siap. Long try siap long try. Long ni. Teman-teman ka you bi ka ram apa? Pidan kami heru say shoot long dan kami dia berpin ni.
Sertifikat.
Kita memberikan nang ni.
Itu memang use jar lagi kan.
Pi dah Islam duty.
Ha?
Dah Islam duty.
Apa je?
Berada mir. Dah, ya nong lah.
Ya, sudah.
Dia share, like, subscribe nanti.
Ini bak baru itu. Saya like subscribe mah, cuma begitu. Sewak apa YouTube premium. Bak stream nya kali ini.
Oh yes. Oh, boleh. Babiang in nong batayam terkenal live ni. Babiang mana be? Tayam. Biang mah. Viewers ni NFT kena begini sia. Kin pensyang ni pi jaga tias.
Ini benda selang berakawai. Demi kenu ha jaka ha makin jaduk ru andre ha kerja mensim ke ni kenu bae. Juga mensim.
Hai sekenu ah. Tak gini ha. Mah. Ha. Chalo kan ngin ya nyok nang ni. Ni kau boleh sebut pi biar penyu sedang du bekut dengan ngalami no ni napo. NFT ni kampus ni. But kau bang kwa IP ban shua. Kau yang kau ban aingu IP ban kau ban ai jing khuble IP. Ba pila kersan nga kumni ko mangalong. Ba kadi jing kersan ko jong pi ba pelong yang kumni ba omtang bang susna content ila jong simet mentang ayo bani samru bat kiwe. Ti ki institute prepare ayo bani sami kani bat ngasngo buram shikade IP ba di babun ba ki perlok jongi baju aimen sim yang nak post kapor banang macna ni content hang ni po YouTube bar kum jo Instagram te bar nga kloir banai ni jingkai kiwe ki bakwa ban le ya kum kini jat le si bandrung shikani ka kam ban le social media bat kum nu phila ban kamai ru naka ti kini ki students ni kala enjoy bha te hak bai de ba fashion kalong badan kamak ma phila yosngo te bat nganget ba kai ki kile kan yarap shibun dak badan ke social media. Te phiru phila ban le kalong jing don kam te kumnu phila ban le khanu du phila ban le ngakloi ban yarap kata kaliang te le sing la ban perkhat pada ginu giru kom ba ngala ban yo ban yarap phi ni ban ai phi jing hikai khna makan yarap phi kum ju mo te ngasngu buram kumni kumangalong nadu ba sedang hadu mentang ala poi hakani ka benta kumni kumakalong par nga kermen ba da kajing kersan ke jong phi nang yo susu le si ki jing ya kita ki achievements bat ki jing ya kenu hakabaya ka jing ya lenti ki jonga ki ba compare ki maujam ki ba compare ki ba le si ki ba nong jing MC nam ta jong phi ba nam ta jong ki mlang salang hi bro ko mo kulis bon par lang si share yang mat phi ko par ki video kulis bon yes ali tama once he be day mechanic you'll always be a mechanic ki kakam tre jonga kakam le snabat ki jonga kam mechanic jonga kadang yene beji ten re sulong no ba mentang mbu karkhana su te kababun la su yele okisar bi komni si sang na ko ki jaka su kawai ten re toy pat mga yo pat ban ai pa ki kai pat da ta ki we mo te kulis bo pi page na do pas dang no ko ngi si shem yang pi ko video kulis bo tuk